time. Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm here, I'm in the living room. Okay, first thing I'll explain is I have both my babies home with me today. It is a Monday, but my big boy, Leo, he had a sickness bug at the weekend and he's really wiped out, still not feeling great at all. So he's at home with me today. And then obviously Cooper, hello. Obviously he's joining us because he always does. He is covered in lunch and everything, but you guys don't care, it's all good. So I am so excited about today's video. I've been planning and preparing today's video for forever, for what feels like a really long time now, and I'm just really excited to do it today. Obviously, because I have both boys with me home today and one of them's not 100%, this video is taking roughly 10 times longer than it probably normally would, I would say. Fine, we'll get there eventually, you know, there's no rush, it will get done. Babies come first, as always. But yeah, I'm just running upstairs and filming sort of at any opportunity that I get. One of those days. Juggling, always juggling. But anyway, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my latest video, which is going to be a organise the laundry cupboard with me. Now, if you're watching from the UK, sometimes we call it an airing cupboard. I don't really know why. If you're watching from outside the UK, you probably call it a laundry cupboard or a linen cupboard sometimes. I don't know, there's loads of different things you could call this cupboard, but it's basically the cupboard where we keep all our bed sheets, towels, bedding, and soft bits like that. So I'm gonna show you in a minute what it currently looks like, and I am ashamed. Obviously, you'll know if you're a subscriber that I do love the organised life, and my linen cupboard is something to be embarrassed about, to be honest with you. It's not funny. So I'm just going to take you with me and show you how I go from this to this. So yeah, enjoy the organise my linen cupboard with me video. So enjoy. No, you're just gonna eat my shoulder. That tastes nice. Okay guys, so here is my current linen cupboard. Okay, don't judge. Don't judge. I mean, can I even call this a cupboard? Like, it's literally just a throw-in situation. Since we moved here over a year ago, there's been no sort of shelving or anything put in here. This is just all of our bedding and towels in a pile on the floor with the funny little stick that opens the attic. Pains me. We actually have two cupboards on the landing, so I'm actually going to make this the laundry cupboard. Now, this is what used to be in this cupboard. These are all my flashcards that I sell on my website, but to be honest, my website has really moved to like downloadables rather than buying a hard product, so I very rarely sell these anymore. So I'm going to store these somewhere else, and this cupboard is now going to be the laundry cupboard, and this is its current state. So it is ready to be jazzed up. We've got the shelving unit that was built and put in here by Clint. I know you guys are going to ask me where I got this shelving unit, so I'm going to find out from him, and I'll link it in the description box below. I think it was just eBay, but he made this for me, obviously, to store my cards, but now it's going to be made to store all of the bedding in the laundry. So here is our starting point. I mean, really, this is our starting point, but I can't even bear to look at that again. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my labels for my baskets. I thought about buying labels, and I thought, what am I doing? I just got some white card and I made the labels myself, just freehand. They're not perfect, but I'm really happy with them. I like the way you're thinking. Then I got myself a thick Sharpie pen and wrote on each label, thinking carefully about what I wanted to put in each basket. Bathroom, I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. I then got some twine and I used this to tie the labels onto each basket.
Something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So now the baskets are ready, it's time to start filling them. So I'm going to start with the towels. I've decided I'm going to roll the towels because of the shape of the storage basket. I think it would be most productive if they were rolled and stored that way.
I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere.
Now I'm going to teach you how to fold a fitted sheet. You need to put your hand in the corners and fold one corner over the other. Then you need to find yourself the other corner. Just keep feeling for it. When you find the next corner, put it inside and tuck it in. So now you've got 3 corners tucked together. Then finally find the last 4th corner and tuck that inside together so that all 4 corners are tucked together. Then you just need to lay that down on the floor like so and just gently fold each side in on itself, making it smaller and smaller, keeping it as straight and neat as possible.
Baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to.
And there you go, a teeny tiny folded fitted sheet. That was king size as well, guys. Like, you can fold it so small. And I'm going to repeat with the single sheets as well. Now I'm going to show you how I like to store my bed covers. So I always turn mine inside out because I need them inside out to put it onto the duvet anyway. So this just makes sense for me. So I'm going to fold up this single duvet cover as neatly and straight as I can, folding in all of the corner bits so that there's no bits hanging out. Then I'm going to get the pillowcase. I'm also going to turn this inside out and fold it nice and small. And I'm going to hide the pillowcase within the sheet. That way the sheet and the pillowcase are always together.
I could never let you go. I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you.
And this is a complete bedding set folded really small in the basket. Finally, the time has come to start filling the shelves and making it all look nice and pretty.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Everything makes total sense. When you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
So I also got this cleaning caddy to put in my linen cupboard, and I'm going to fill it with all the essentials that I need for the bedroom. So I've got some refills for the plugins, as we have some plugins upstairs, so I wanted some of those kept upstairs. Also a lint roller that I use when I'm cleaning the headboard, and a refill for the lint roller, and some Fabuloso room and fabric sprays, which are essential when changing bed sheets.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna
Guys, it's honestly been hours since I finished this video. But it's just been one of those days, and I completely forgot to come back and, you know, sign off and say thank you for watching and all of that. In my PJs, it's like 4:30 and I'm in my pyjamas. Not unusual. If you're a subscriber, you'll know that. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I keep coming up here, messy bed. I keep coming up, just having a little look, because it just looks so good. I think I need another little toilet roll basket, so I think I'll have 3 in total. But honestly as well, this smells incredible. Absolute hack of a lifetime, putting a reed diffuser in the linen cupboard, because now all the linen smells so good. Just keep coming and having a little look. I hope you like the folding tips as well. Once you know how to fold a fitted sheet, your life really does change. Oh, sorry, the light is really blue by the window. Very blue. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. So appreciated as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hi, if you're new. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.